mga hinampa. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Cheryl's house. We're gonna do trick or treat with our kids. Actually, para sa mga bata lang guys kasi walang ano ngayon dito. Most of the community or the houses, they don't do trick or treat na because of the situation right now. So we decided na mag trick or treat na lang kami para sa mga kids namin doon sa bahay ni Cheryl. So ready na ako guys. Tingnan niyo yung attire ko. Parang engot. Char. Okay, hinihintay ko na lang yung anak ko from school, and then hinihintay din kami ni Liani. Then pupunta na kami. Nandun na yung iba sa bahay ni Cheryl. Hinihintay na lang kami guys. Okay, so I'll keep you updated. See ya.
Juliana,
John, who are you?
Nana pun tak katunga dai di lagi ko na dai. Siksi mo kay ni.
Di pang tapad nga. Sige mo litag tapad.
guys, hindi pa muna.
Hi, Jules!
Guys, hindi na muna ako mag-attend yung anak ko kasi wala pa yung lumabas. Lumabas.
Hi, Jules! John, who are you?
I call Blue.
You are?
Thanos.
Jan, let me see. Tawa.
Fix your...
You want to see your
And you are? Who are you, miss?
a vampire?
A vampire? A sexy vampire? Where's your tango? What's tango?
Ino siya ito tingala ko kay make up man ko. Oo, wapang kayo.
Oh, tingnan, ingan ka nga. Nagkuan og kuan? Suwat dito siyang mama na specific kayo ang MAC lipstick. Char.
Nahanlok na
You're scared with John? That's John.
You scared? That's John.
Open your mask, John. That's John.
That's John. So mom, mommy said.
That's John. I show your face to Juliana. Show your face. Show your face first, John.
Lang siya.
That's John, Jules.
Yeah, that's John. John is a monster. Oh. Asa tulog si Leslie guys.
Gibutan siguro sa kuan.
Medium large. Yun, nag-trick or treat na sila. Shania, you stay there kasi like, taking pictures na. Yan, nag-trick or treat yung mga kids. Yung kids na.
Ayan guys, yung candies.
Ay, ikaw po yan si Vanessa sa kay Gabi. Tanawag siya.
Si
Vanessa, look over here.
Vanessa. Vanessa.
Si Vanessa.
Gabi.
Juliana, smile. Juliana.
Yan yung candies namin. Andun. Tsaka andun yung candies namin. Sure. Pakimain po si Madam Imelda.
Just grab like a handful.
Where's John?
Uy, lollipop. Mani paminti ang ginuha. Ay, naghaking lollipop. Paborito ma niya. Dalawa na ang kamot. Mga man, ha?
Over there. Go, Jules. There's more behind the car, Jules. Jules, there's more behind the car. Go. Yeah. Pick some Kit Kat. Kit Kat. Put it in the box. Kit Kat, Shan. Kit Kat. We'll put it in the box and send it to the Philippines, Char. Gabi! Vanessa, go get some. Go get more. Yay!
Oh, get some candy.
Yay!
Oh, here.
Here, Gab.
No.
Go get more candies.
Gabi's getting
Go get more candies. Go.
Very good.
Go. Wala siya.
Abo na ko eh.
Wow! Wow!
Ako anak, kasi gusto na lang siya magutang.
Sige! Sige, Jules! More Jules! Put all of it, Jules! Go! Get all of it! Go! 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 All of it, Jules! All of it!
Jules! Ano pa ba? Siya kikuntis man, kuntis.
Go, Jules! Go! Because Ate Shant is gonna get all of it! Go, get it! Go, 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 go!
Ay, nakuha sila na ano eh, balagi ako. Juliana, come here, come here.
Uy! Bili ang mga bata!
Silian, what do you like?
Blue lollipops.
Okay. How about yours?
I like the mango lollipop.
Wow! Go, Jules! Climb! Climb! Go, climb! Mahulog ah!
Let's go find some more.
Go, Jules! Put all of it!
One more.
Yawa kami, doon ka rin ko anak. Juliana!
Smile, Jules! Smile! Be careful, ha? Be careful.
Puno naman yung mga basket.
Go, 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 go! 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 Run! Over there! Over there! Go, Jules!
Ayan, mama. Gipangpili niya kay Kuan.
Lollipop? Kagabi, cute yung sudlanan. Namuha ni ko categories.
Hoy, pang 1 year. Hoy,
Go, Juliana.
hoy, pang 1 year na, 1 year.
Go, Juliana.
Hey, that's my candy.
Hoy, nagihurot kay Shanti, hoy. Nag-uoy.
Yummy candy. I mean, you already got rid of that one. I know, but I'm just going.
Pamili na eh.
Malinaw kay siya.
Yay!
Si John gamay kay Cookie pamili.
Ay, pamili. Uy, ayan, ganahan ko. Reese's na cups. Ganahan siya Reese's.
Naunsa gamay naman. Sneakers.
Snickers. There's more.
Hide the candy somewhere really
Hoy, picture ni sila dyan sa tumao, sila tanan. Go, palingkamot sila na kay wala.
Siya ni John dai.
Wala yung mama.
bananas done.
Ano lagi siya ni John?
I got a cookie.
Trick or
Lagi siya ni John.
Jules! Wow! You have a lot,
Hoy,
Jules!
puno, puno.
Wow! Nanig ka mo si Juliana.
Ayun na, tara. Siksi po kayo minahan.
Get more candy. Hide that somewhere where we can't find
Oh, picture sila dyan. Hoy, murag ba, si Santi dyan, kamot eh.
Hala, wala din.
Alright. Okay. Na